Now when you tamp, you have to make sure that you have enough coffee in your portafilter because it's going to be compacted down with your tamper. You always want to make sure that you have a good tamper and that it's heavy, and also that it fits well your portafilter. Also, you want to make sure that your tamper is leveled and you hold it like a flashlight and then kind of drop it down. Now we want to put about 30 to 50 pounds of pressure. I'm going to double tamp, and to do so, you should use the back side of your tamper, because if you use the front side, it's going to make a dent, and then when you actually tamp, espresso grinds are going to sit in your tamper, and you don't want that. Just fix it a little bit. Now, when you're done tamping, you should look inside of your portafilter and check the fill line. It should always be at the fill line, not above or much below, because then it's gonna make a big difference in your pouring and not gonna be a good espresso shot. So now we're ready to actually pour the shot.